For population, the Tripura government said reduce that weight from 15 to 10%. For area, Tripura government said reduce that weight from 15 to 5%. As you know, Tripura is a state with very small share in nationally. It is the third smallest state. So therefore, when you do it by area, it doesn't get a whole lot out of it. So its recommendation on that expectation, I believe, is to reduce the weight of area from 15 to 5%. On forest and ecology, the 15th Finance Commission had given a weight of 10%, meaning 10%, it divided 10% of the divisible pool based on the share in forest of any given state. Tripura government's recommendation is that that should be increased to 20%. And once again, this is coming from the fact that Tripura actually has a very large forest area. Almost 70% of Tripura's total area is covered by forest.
Kokthom Panda Khaye 16 Finance Commission Chairman Botai Boshaka Teruk Borok Bangi Tongmani by Rangbo Bangrinani Kok Tishaka Hapang Nei.
Tripura's recommendation is that that should be given a weight of only 5%. Now, last year Tripura has suggested two criteria of its own. So it has said use the index of infrastructure, give 5% weight to that, and use international border as another criterion and give 5% weight to that. These are both criteria which in the past, to my knowledge, have not been used by any of the finance commissions, but this is the pitch by Tripura that they should be included. So this is the overall picture of the horizontal devolution. And then there was discussion, obviously, also of local bodies. The commission also visited last evening a panchayat in the vicinity of Agartala, and it was very impressive. We really spent almost more than 2 hours there, and we had very fruitful discussions there. But there were some recommendations on local bodies, and likewise there were also some recommendations on the disaster relief. So that is the overall description of the discussion this morning.